Hello, I'm Miss Liz and I'm with Milwaukee Public Library. Today in Simple Science, we are going to make a bubble lamp in a bag. And this is a really great project for kids between the ages of 7 to 12 or with any kid with help from a parent. This is also a great program to learn a little bit about chemistry too. So the supplies we are going to need today is a plastic bag. These are quart-size baggies. You can get a little bigger than that, but I wouldn't get any smaller than a quart size. Food coloring. Going to need oil. I have canola oil here, but you can use pretty much any kind of oil, vegetable oil or olive oil. And then you're going to need anti-acid tablets, and these you can find at any drugstore. These are Alka-Seltzers. And water, and then lastly, measuring cup. We're going to be using a cup, 1 cup measuring cup, and half a cup. And if you don't have, again, a full cup measuring cup, you can just use a half cup. First thing I would suggest to do is just lay down a towel on whatever table you're making your bubble lamp in a bag in, just because it might get a little messy. So, first step is we're going to take our baggie, going to open it up. And we are going to put our half a cup of water into the baggie here. So I got half a cup of water. I'm going to pour it right in there. Okay. And then next we are going to add our food coloring to color our water here. And I'm going to color mine red. And for food coloring, like 3 drops. There we go. Seal your baggie up again. And mix it up so your water is nicely colored throughout. There we go. Next, we are going to pour 1.5 cups of oil into the bag. And you want to avoid filling the bag beyond half its size. So, like I said, a quart-size baggie is perfect for this experiment. It won't get too full. So carefully open your bag again. And I've got 1 cup of vegetable oil here. So let's pour that in. And then we need half a cup. So I'm going to use my half cup now. And that will spill like mine just did. And this would be a great time to have a parent help the kid out. And then pour my half a cup oil in there. Okay. And then we are going to seal the baggie up again. And this will be kind of the cool chemistry part here for kids to look at, because as you can see, the oil we put in the bag floats to the top above the colored water. And this is, of course, because water is denser than oil. And denser just means that it's heavier. And that's why no matter how much you might squish the water together, stir it together with that oil, the oil will always rise to the top. And see, like now it's kind of mixed up, but you can still see the difference between the oil and the water in there. And just like that. Okay, next we are going to break 1 of our anti-acid tablets. So they come in little packs like this. And we are going to break it open. And you only need to put a couple of these pieces in at a time. You know, don't put like a whole piece like that. Just break it up first. So just break it up with your hands into little pieces. Just like that. Okay. So once we have that broken up, we're going to put a couple of our pieces into the bag there. So let's place about 1 or 2 of your little tablet pieces into the bag. And right away, you should see the tablets start to bubble. And if they're not bubbling too much, kind of squish your bag, and they should start to bubble up. Now, the reaction that's happening there is coming from the anti-acid tablets. The tablets are made of basically 2 things: sodium bicarbonate, which is also known as baking soda, and citric acid, plus some other things. And when both of those things are added to the water, they react, making carbon dioxide gas, which is where these bubbles are coming from. And these bubbles of carbon dioxide are, just like the oil, less dense than water, so they float to the top, making those cool little bubble effects we see there. And the more of these tablet pieces you put in there, the more bubbles you're going to get. So I'm going to add a few more. And make sure again you seal it up. And as you seal the bag up and the bubbles start to form again, you're also going to feel the bag up here get a lot tighter because it's filling up with that carbon dioxide gas. And it's really fizzing now. And again, you just keep adding those tablets to have more fizziness into there. And now you can see it kind of does look like a lava lamp. Kind of the same reaction or in a bubble lamp. So thank you for watching this video. Again for watching this video with Milwaukee Public Library today. Milwaukee Public Library will have a lot more virtual programming this summer, and we're also having our summer reading program that you can sign up for kids, teens, or adults. And you can sign up for that online at mpl.org/summerreading. So I really hope you guys have a great summer, and we hope to see you again. Thank you.